on the 7th next week to solve the issue.
The award function of Meghalaya Chemistry Olympiad 2023 MCO, an initiative of the Department of Chemistry, University of Science and Technology Meghalaya Ustm, has been held on Thursday at the MKC auditorium of the university, where the first 3 rank holders of all the 3 categories of the event were awarded cash prize worth ₹1 lakh. Alexander Lalu Hek, Minister for A&H and Veterinary Department, Meghalaya, was the chief guest. Addressing a gathering, Minister A.L. Hek said that USTM has embraced all knowledge seekers into its family, a true instance of the saying Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. He said that the concept of Chemistry Olympiad is very innovative to catch the young minds of the children for a bright future.
Student may not come here, study here. Probably students, may have a financial problem. We are a private institutions, but we always receive the recommendation from all the stakeholders that any students, brilliant students, who are unable to join with us because of financial constraint, but if their background is academically sound, so we offer them free education.
We have so many lane here with name behind, Mother Teresa and many others, PG Abdul Kalam, so many names were there. He have brought this one family.
This Chemistry Olympiad, as you have put forward that we want to catch them young.